The Portuguese political landscape has been marked by significant shifts and some tension this week. Luís Montenegro, leader of the Democratic Alliance AD, officially claimed victory in the recent elections, asserting that the public's desire for a change in government is unavoidable. Meanwhile, Antonio José Seguro has been sworn in as the nation's new president, calling for stability as Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa concluded his 10-year term. In Parliament, a controversial deal was struck between the PSD and Chega to secure nominations for the Council of State and the Constitutional Court, a move that André Ventura claims will end institutional delays. However, Chega is facing internal instability at the local level, with mass resignations of councillors in Funchal, Portimão, and São Vicente citing insurmountable incompatibilities with the party's central leadership.
Portugal's housing crisis remains a dominant headline. New data revealed that house prices surged by a record 23.4% in 2025, the highest growth in nearly 40 years. In response, the government has approved a legislative package to fast-track evictions for unpaid rent and resolve complex inheritance disputes to bring some of the 500,000 vacant homes back onto the market. On the energy front, global tensions in the Middle East have caused Brent crude to surpass $105 per barrel. Domestic fuel prices are expected to jump significantly next week, prompting the government to announce energy price caps and ISP tax cuts to protect vulnerable households. In a boost for the tech sector, Microsoft announced a $10 billion investment to build a major AI and cloud data hub in Sines, leveraging the country's renewable energy infrastructure.
The nation's immigration department, AMA, is under intense scrutiny. Legal experts warn of a total collapse as the agency grapples with a backlog of over 500,000 pending residency cases. The government has responded by proposing stricter migration laws, including extending detention periods for illegal immigrants to 18 months and eliminating voluntary departure notifications. Public health has also seen significant updates, with Infarmed authorizing the sale of sildenafil Viagra without a prescription under strict safety protocols. Additionally, the Catholic Church has begun the process of paying $1.6 million in compensation to 57 victims of sexual abuse.
Portuguese football is in mourning following the death of legendary goalkeeper and coach Silvino Louro at the age of 67. On the pitch, the title race reached fever pitch with a dramatic 2-2 Clásico draw between Benfica and FC Porto at the Estádio da Luz, a match that saw José Mourinho sent off following late-game confrontations. In European competition, both FC Porto and SC Braga have successfully advanced to the Europa League quarter-finals, with Porto set to face Nottingham Forest.
Recovery efforts continue following the catastrophic impact of Storm Kristen, which caused an estimated $6 billion in damage nationwide. The government has expanded emergency financial aid to 22 additional municipalities. In Madeira, Depression Therese caused widespread disruption and over 100 emergency incidents due to wind gusts reaching 110 km/h.
The coming days will be defined by the implementation of new fuel price shifts and the potential for fresh labor strikes in the education sector as unions issue ultimatums to the ministry. Expect further developments regarding the PSD Chega judicial appointments, which continue to polarize the parliament.